Welcome to the Loper House tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to add an image to the Loper House website. In order to add an image to the Loper House website, we have to do two things. First, we have to upload the image file to GitHub. Second, we have to change the code so the Loper House website knows where to display the image. First, uploading the file to GitHub. Here we are at the Loper House repository. We'll go into Assets/Images. So here we're in the folder Assets/Images. And you can upload as many images as you would like to this folder. I'll show you how to do that. Click on Add File, Upload Files. So here you can upload files from your computer. I've already found a file I want to upload. That is this picture of a grapefruit. So here we can see this grapefruit picture has been uploaded. To save these changes, GitHub needs a commit message. We'll say added grapefruit JPEG. So this just describes the change that I made to the repository. We'll commit or save these changes by clicking this green button. Okay, so now our grapefruit picture has been added to GitHub. We can check that this is true by going into that folder, Assets/Images, and we can see grapefruit.jpg is here. We can even take a look at it if we want. Here's that picture. Okay, so the first step is done. Now the second step is to change the code on the Loper House website so that we know which page we want to show this picture on. So I want to add this grapefruit picture to the Grapefruit Tree page. So let's go to the Loper House's website. I'll open this in a new tab. So Loper House's website. We'll click through to the Grapefruit Tree page. Now, I recommend looking at the previous tutorial video, how to edit an entry in the catalog, because there we also demonstrate in more detail how to edit the Grapefruit Tree page. So to quickly summarize, to do that, we click on this pencil icon, which will actually take us back to GitHub, the page for this Grapefruit Tree page. To edit that, we'll click on the pencil icon. Again, for much more detail about what's happening, watch the video, How to Edit an Entry in the Catalog. So here we want to edit the Grapefruit Tree entry, and we want to show that Grapefruit Tree image. So if I were adding text, maybe I write something like, image here, please, right? But no, that won't work. We need to write code, right? So maybe if you don't remember how to write the code to add an image, you can always go to that secret mint page. So let's go to that mint page. It was the secret mint example page. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, again, watch the tutorial on how to edit an entry in the catalog, and I'll show you all about the secret mint page where it shows you a template for how to make entries in the catalog. So see the code for adding a picture. Let's click on edit, and then this pencil for edit mode. And we can see this cheat sheet, right? Here is the code that you would need to add a picture to the website. So here, I'm just going to copy this. Copy, and then go back to that Grapefruit Tree page. Right, I'm going to paste it, but then I'm going to edit it. So we'll start, it's exclamation point, square brackets, alternate text. So for my alternate text, I'm going to say a picture of a juicy grapefruit. And then here, our image was assets/images, but it's not called mint, it's called grapefruit.jpg. And everything else can stay the same. Now to save our changes, scroll to the bottom and commit. Added image to Grapefruit Tree page. Save our changes. Let's go back to the main page of the repository. You can see that commit message I just wrote, and GitHub is updating. So when this turns from a yellow circle into a green check mark, we'll know the website is ready. I'll pause recording for now so we don't have to wait. Okay, we have a green check mark now, which means the website is ready. So let's go back to that Grapefruit Tree page. Sometimes I have trouble switching tabs when Zoom is recording, so I'll just go to the Grapefruit Tree page again. Let's click through to the Grapefruit Tree page. Let's refresh. Great. And now we see that picture there.